people, how are you? So we just getting off. Oh, I just got off work. My kid, there he is. He's a little working man. He just done his he's doing his externship. Guys, tell him that he needs to go and inquire about a little job, 8 hours or 16 hours a week before he get up out of there. Next Tuesday is his last day. Somebody's smoking weed. So yeah, I'm at the mall. I came to Ulta to get this palette. I don't even shop at Ulta. We're just on the side of the mall walking through Forever 21. Yeah, I believe I got my hair in 2 French braids. It was looking cute. Now I just look hecka nappy. So we just walking through Forever. They stuff. I don't really like that stuff. If they would have had that when we was little, Jalen, we would have been wanting to get on that. Yeah, we gonna go right into Ulta. Look at all that goodness, y'all. They have one left. Jalen's gonna get these. I hadn't got him nothing yet for his graduation because I was gonna get him a laptop and stuff for school. But I'm gonna get him these for being such a good kid. Those are pretty cool. I wouldn't mind having a pair of those. Pretty neat. Those are pretty neat. I like those. You like those? Hey guys, look at my skin. I don't know what's going on with my skin. You don't want me to vlog? Why are you looking at me like that? Just having these groceries. Got the ribs. We don't really celebrate the 4th of July like we used to. With everything going on in this world we live in, but we are gonna have us some ribs. Hi, get in here. Hi, babies. Hi. Hi. Hi, babies. Little monsters. Ow! I'm about to go to the gym, you guys. I haven't been to the gym in like 4 days, and I have to go. Currently at the gym, we're about to work out. So let's go ahead and get it going. I hate when I come out the gym and I don't know where the hell I parked my car. I hate that. Oh, there's my baby. Girl, you need to be remembering where you park the vehicle. I need to clean my car too, you guys. Hella shit in my hands. I just got home from the gym. Now I need to cook. Usually I would take a shower, then cook, but it's already, oh my God, it's already 10 o'clock. I've been gone that long? Jalen, how long was I gone? Huh? Jalen, do you know? Do you know?
Do I need help?
How long I was gone?
Do I know how long you were gone?
Mm-hmm. No?
That's cool.
Yeah, it was, because it was like 7:30. Yeah, it was like 7:30, so I think I was there for like 2 hours. Okay. I'm just making something quick. We ain't never got no food in this house. I don't care how much I go to the store. It's just like, if you ain't got no jelly, if we ain't got no jelly, we ain't got no peanut butter. Only thing we always have is milk, juice, bread, lunch meat. I just get tired of buying the same stuff over and over, you guys. Where's my fridge? And I just came from the grocery store, so that's why it looks so full. Okay, so, and I love these. I get these at Walmart. And this was actually on sale too. These are so good. These are super good. BLT salads. They're good. My husband just came. And I think I'm gonna have me some mango while I cook. Yeah. Oh, there's my other ground meat. And then I'm gonna see if they can chop up the stuff. Because I'm tired. Then I work all day, gym, grocery store, Dollar Tree. Oh, I got a little Dollar Tree haul for y'all too. Let me go get the stuff out the car. Hope everybody's day is going well. Hope y'all got y'all food ready for the holiday tomorrow. Hi, sweetie. Okay, guys, we finna spin through this real quick. When I say real quick, I mean real quick. This is a Dollar Tree haul. This is like more of a repurchase haul. So we're gonna spin through it real quick. I did pick up some detergents. I love picking these up as backups. The Gain, you already know that's official. The Tide, that's official. Now I use a lot of detergent in my Lowe's, so I'll probably get maybe a good 4 to 5 loads out of one of these, because I'm not using this little cap. You know, a girl just pouring them in there. So I got those, 3 of these and 2 of the Tide. And I just picked this one up, the Fad. I remember everybody was going crazy about this one. My Dollar Tree usually has them in stock, so I just picked those up as backups. And I forgot to, when I was in line, I forgot to get our aluminum pan and our paper towels. Usually I'll get one with way more. This one only has 36 because it's the Bounty, but we need it for tomorrow for the barbecue, and I didn't have any, and these were just by the checkout, so I just grabbed them. I always purchase these soaps. This is the English Rose Blossom. Smells so good, by the Bolero, or yeah, Bolero. And this is the Vanilla Cream. I love these, and they lather really, really good. These are all repurchases. These are the best garbage bags at the Dollar Tree. Has one side, lap ties, and then this side here. But the Good Sense, this is the big 30 gallon, and these are the best. Sometimes they'll have the 7 crossed out and you'll get 9, but these are very durable and they don't break open when you take the trash out, so I love these. We always get those, and I just picked these up because you got 10 bonus jumbo sheets. You got a total of 35. They smell decent, they smell good, and I was running out of my bounce, so I just got those. And this was just randomly along. It looks like they had sold out of them. This is by Auto Expressions, and it's just some clean bling. These are cherries, so I thought these would be cute maybe on my back window. I thought these would be really cute on the outside. And it just says easy to apply, decorative decal, adheres to most surfaces, holds up under adverse weather conditions. So I thought this was super cute. I'm gonna put this on my back window. How cute are those little cherries? I thought that was a cute little buy. And I just picked up, I should have picked up more. These are just foam plates. They're 30 in a pack for $1, which is pretty damn good. I think I'm going, because usually they have 18, 14. At the max, I've seen 22 at the 99-cent store. But 30, I need to go pick these up. And I picked this up as well. I just can't go to the dollar stores without picking up one of these little signs. And it just says, work that crown. And it has, it's a little scroll, and it has pineapples on it. I just thought that was so cute. Let me put that on my desk at work. And then I just got this pan for our barbecue, because I don't have an actual roasting pan. So I just got that. Now guys, I'm gonna wash my hands, and I may leave this stuff here for a moment. I made some quick tacos tonight. It just has avocado, cheese, sour cream. I know it looks kind of like yuck, but it's delicious. And we usually don't drink soda, but I do have some pineapple soda. And I have my tea here that I'm gonna drink. And I'm about to go in my room, you guys, and eat my food, take a shower, and go to bed. I'm so tired. I am off tomorrow, the holiday, so that is great. So we'll pick up tomorrow. I love you guys so much, and until my next video, deuce.